Hello, good day friends. Today we will see how you can cast your mobile screen onto your TV through Samsung Galaxy A07. To do that, you simply need to go to your Play Store, tap on search and type this and download this app, Google Home. I have already downloaded it. So let's open. Now you will see this interface, swipe left. And here you can see all the devices which are connected to your home Wi-Fi. The important thing is that your TV need to be also connected to the similar Wi-Fi your mobile is connected. Otherwise, this won't work. So here as you can see, you can add the device, tap on it, click on search for device, tap on next and go to settings, then tap on permission. Enable the location permission. Now from here you will cast your mobile onto your TV. And the next option is wired method. To do that you need a USB type cable C like that. And the second end is HDMI adapter. Connect your USB type C with your mobile and HDMI adapter to your TV. Through that you can also cast your mobile onto your TV. I hope you like this video. If you do like, please hit a like, do consider us subscribing, and I will see you next video.